That's my people. This is Jaffa Battle Cry Television. This is the quick example how Nigerian government will be using their military jets to sponsor terrorists, to supply Fulani terrorists in the forest, the ammunition to leash the villages, to kill and dismay people in pieces. This is an example what the people in the government are doing, using their own government official jets, supplying arms to the Fulani terrorists. I'm going to play this video, have an audio. This is an example. The villagers caught the Nigeria official military jet supply arms to the terrorists in their forest. And they were like using their mobile phone to video them. And when the people who brought the ammunition to Fulani see the villages and trying to video them, they took off and flee. Because it's like what I noticed here is that they were here waiting for the Fulani terrorists to come and collect the arms, but it's like the presence of the villagers scared them away. They could not come closer to the jet. So while the villagers are videoing, they have to make their way out immediately before something else happened. Maybe they could not fly out, or maybe their jet will be trapped, and the villagers will ask them what are they doing, or what are they flying around the forest, and what do they carry coming inside the forest. So they have to flee. Look at how the pilot, flew with the helicopter. Tell me, how can a helicopter land in a forest like this without any aviation signal or command? I mean, these people are terrible. These people are terrible. And yesterday, 18th of December 2022, they went to ENUGU and killed the villagers. Killed a lot, more than 100 people killed, and nobody's talking. Very unfortunate. The religious leader could not talk. Organizer could not talk. Kingsmen could not talk. None of the politicians speak. They all muted. No one is talking. It's only the Biafra agitators and the people talking. This is very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? This thing is becoming horrible. How can we be in this chamber and things are going wrong this way? We can't tolerate this anymore. This is becoming unbearable. We cannot take it anymore. What a nonsense. A common Fulani will come to the land and be killing people, a stranger, and government is not talking, elders are not talking, traditional rulers are not talking, spiritual leaders, bishop, reverends, everybody, call them whatever name, they will not talk. Celebrating harm, they will not talk. What a shame. Our people are gone into captivity in the hand of Fulani Janjaweed because they have no knowledge. Very unfortunate. I'm gonna play this video now, allow you to play completely with audio, and you will listen what the villagers are saying, chanting them. The villagers mock the pilot and the people inside the jet. Look at them. Very unfortunate. Let me go back, then I will play it. Listen.
Back up. We need back up. 2212. Hello, I need more security. Let them do one thing. We need back up. How did you go? You be fool. Let them do one thing.
Let's see. Let us see.
Nigeria suffers from a state of economic radiculopathy, social sciatica, and political dystopia.
Yes, my people. You can see the kind of people we have there in the zoo called Nigeria. They are grammarians. They can speak good English. Even some of them can construct grammar. They only speak English, but when they see evil, they will not talk. They keep quiet. Look at how can these barbaric people come to the land, came and start muzzling people and mesmerizing people and destroying people, making people's life unbearable. We can't tolerate this anymore. We cannot tolerate this anymore. Enough is enough. Everybody must rise up and do something. We can't continue this way. No, 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 no. We cannot continue. This is becoming unbearable. We can't take it. Everybody must rise up. How can these people messing people's life up? Nah, 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 nah. Biafra must go, honestly. Biafra must be free. We are going. We cannot continue be messing around and be going like a chicken. No, 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 no. Biafra Filigo, Biafra Filigo. We must go, honestly. All these things I'm just trying to show on the screen is our determination. We must go. This has become so rude. Who brought us into this matter? Who brought us? No one is talking. Everybody is now mute. Nobody can talk. Let's listen to this show.
These elements that are killing people in the name of banditry, do you perhaps have an idea of who these people are? You mentioned that they have different groups, but I know that you've made an overture to some of them to reach out to them, to in fact grant amnesty to some of them. Who are these people in the real sense of it, Governor?
They are the same people like me who speak the same language like me, who profess the same religious beliefs like me. So what we have here on ground is bandits. They are not aliens. They are people we know. They are people that have been living with us for hundreds of years. The infiltration we have from some West African countries and North African countries are also people of the Fulani extraction. Majority of those involved in this banditry are Fulanis, whether it is palatable or not, but that's the truth. I'm not saying 100% of them are Fulani, but the majority of them are. And these are people who live in the forest, who their main occupation is rearing of cattle. Probably over time, their fortunes dwindle with the climate change, lack of access to education, both Islamically and Western, also aggravated the situation.
Oh, yes. Have you heard it now? That is how it is. That is how it is. Nobody, the people that you expected to talk, they will not talk, but it's only the people that you don't expect to talk. This man is not even a Christian. It's in the north, a governor, a sitting governor, speaking like this, but none of the eastern governors are talking like this. Anyway, viewers, there is a comment section here. You can make a comment. But before I go, let me bring to you another warning from our spokesman, Mazi Samuel Nepa, where he's warning Ayudon. He's warning him seriously. So whatever he needs to do now, you have to. Let's see.
Who was crying on his Facebook page, all of a sudden have come to idiotically and shamelessly and stupidly posted on his Facebook page. They say I should keep quiet on sensitive issues.
Mm-hmm.
All of them disappeared. They were all crying, not from their heart.
No.
This woman called Hilda Dukubo, all of them disappeared. All those things were politically motivated. They don't love you.
No.
The military gave them cover. The military and Nigeria Security Agency gave the terrorists cover, aided and abetted them to kill and maim in a Hamufu.
Yes.
Ohaneze, where are you?
Where are you?
Governor Mahi, that named Simon Ekpa, the new bandit. Where are you?
Where are you?
I hope you heard it.
Yes.
You heard it. So they told you to stay clear of sensitive issues.
Oh, yes. That's how they can talk, to stay away from sensitive issues. Whereas they just allow their own people to perish. What a tragedy. They allow their own people to perish. They are telling you to stay away from sensitive issues. I don't know what kind of people is this. Our people have gone into captivity because they have no knowledge. They have gone into captivity because they have no knowledge. Let me bring it up here in according to Hosea chapter 4 verse 6. It's unbelievable. Very, very unbelievable. Very, very unbelievable. You know, our people have gone into captivity because they have no knowledge. What a tragedy. But we will keep on going. So, lovers of freedom, Biafra, and lovers of freedom in this struggle, I thank you again. I will bring in more videos shortly to enlighten you what's going on. As soon as our spokesman come online to talk, I will share with you some certain things. There are other videos that are coming up concerning the update in ENUGU, the massacre by the Fulani terrorists. I will bring it soon. So subscribe, share, and like. I'll be back again. Thank you very much. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. God bless Mazen Nandekalu wherever he is. God bless our spokesperson, Mazen Samuel Nepa. May God continue to fortify him until our leader, Mazen Nandekalu, come out. And may God put confusion in the midst of our enemies so that they start fighting each other. Instead of we fighting ourselves, the enemy will start fighting against each other. I invoke the mystery of Psalm 35. Fight for us, O Lord. Fight against them that fight against us, O Lord. Let the angel of God pursue them. Let their way be dark and slippery. And let them be like chaff before the wind. He say, so shall it be. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Please subscribe. Biafra, all hail Biafra, all hail Biafra. We are moving. All hail Biafra. No going back. We are moving. Please subscribe. Very important. Thank you very much. Thank you.